Hey guys, Mike from Ignite Ops is here. So I built CRM in Fibery that tracks every conversation, outcomes, and next steps. It also tracks what needs to be done every day, basic pipeline metrics. So just a sneak peek. Deals this week, deals past week, deals this month. Quick overview of the tasks that needs to be done, the types of the tasks, who they are related to, what's the person's state. I can quickly jump into the tasks themselves, see what needs to be done today, tomorrow, the day after, etc. Check the leads and contacts. What are those? The name, title, state, type of relationship, partner, supplier, referral, or peer. Then based on the interactions that happens in the last couple of weeks, it shows the relationship. Is it cold, warm, or hot? What types of contact is it? Is it entrepreneur, employee, or influencer, or consultants? And the next action that needs to be taken. So I know every day what needs to happen, so nothing falls through the cracks. And the cherry pick, there is no need to glue Trello, ClickUp, Notion, Jira, etc. I have my whole practice business operating system built with Fibery. CRM, delivery, marketing all live in one workspace. No more jumping between apps. Focus switching eats energy and time. Don't forget that. Though still I would love to integrate my Android alarm clock with this system. So share in the comments what apps do you use to track and manage your agency, client relations, and project delivery and marketing activities.